Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with new lesson number 5, operation on rational numbers. Let's see what are natural numbers. Counting numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 are called natural numbers. Whole numbers. When we include 0 to the natural number, we get whole number 0, 1, 2, 3. Integers. As said earlier, integer is a whole number anywhere from 0 to positive or negative infinity. For example, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. What are rational numbers? Rational numbers are written like fractions. For example, 5 upon 7, 3 upon 4. However, the group of rational numbers include all types of numbers mentioned before. Check page 34. We'll complete the table. Here few numbers are given. We need to identify what they are. Natural numbers, integers or rational number. The first one minus 3. It's not a natural number, but it is a integer as well as rational number. 3 upon 5. It's not a natural number, neither integer, but it's a rational number. Minus 17. It's not a natural number. It's an integer as well as rational number. Minus 5 upon 15. It's not an a natural number nor an integer, but it's a rational number. In the case of 5, it is a natural number, integers, and rational numbers. On the same page, operations on rational numbers are done. The first one 5 upon 7 plus 9 upon 11. There are few examples given on your textbook. Around 6 sums are given. In this, rational numbers are written like fractions using a numerator and a denominator. That is why operation on rational numbers are carried out as on fractions. Let's solve practice set 22. Carry out the following additions of rational number. The first sum 5 upon 36 plus 6 upon 42. In this sum, LCM of denominators are taken to get equivalent rational number. I have done the LCM working on the right hand side. LCM of 36 and 42 is 252. 36 when multiplied by 7, we get 252. So same way, we'll multiply numerator, which is 5, with 7. That comes to 35. So it will be 35 upon 252. In the same way, 6 upon 42. 42 when multiplied by 6, we get 252. So as per procedure, we'll multiply 6 with numerator 6. That comes up to 36. Now the denominator are same. So it will be 35 upon 252 plus 36 upon 252, which comes up to 71 upon 252. So your answer is 71 upon 252. Let's see the next sum. In the second sum, the question is in mixed fraction. Here you will multiply the whole number part by the fraction denominator, add that to the numerator. Then write the result on the top of the denominator. Like 1 2 upon 3 will be written as 1 into 3 plus 2 upon 3. That comes up to 5 upon 3. In the same way, 2 4 upon 5 is written as 2 into 5 plus 4 upon 5. That comes up to 14 upon 5. Now your new fraction is 5 upon 3 plus 14 upon 5. Now you have to equalize the denominator for that. We'll multiply denominator 5 with numerator and denominator, that is 5 upon 3. So it will be 5 into 5 upon 3 into 5. That comes up to 25 upon 15. In the same way, you will multiply denominator 3 with numerator and denominator, that is 14 upon 5. So it will be 14 into 3 upon 5 into 3. That will be 42 upon 15. Now you can see that denominator are equal. That is 25 upon 15 plus 42 upon 15. That comes up to 67 upon 15. Answer is 67 upon 15. In the same way, you can do the third and the fourth sum. For homework, do practice set 22, sub question 1 2 times. Thank you.